Welcome to this week's edition of the Regtech Africa News Roundup. And here are the top headlines for the week.
CBN and ONSA forge alliance to combat illicit activities in FX markets. Tinubu appoints Bakari as CEO of Nigerian Financial Intelligence Unit, NFIU. Nigerian fintech firm Pennytree secures crowdfunding license from SEC. In Africa news, Kenya moves forward with crypto trading regulations amid grey list concerns. XS.com expands African presence with acquisition of South African license. On the global scene, morning outlook, policy challenges loom over China and Japan. And BVNK expands operations and customer support with electronic money license. Now the news in details. The Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, and the Office of the National Security Advisor, ONSA, have formed a strategic partnership to investigate and penalize individuals engaged in illicit activities within the foreign exchange FX market. The partnership will involve coordinated efforts with key law enforcement agencies including the Nigeria Police Force, MPF, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC), the Nigeria Customs Service (NCS), and the Nigerian Financial Intelligence Unit (NFIU). The President of Nigeria, Bola Tinubu, has named Hafsat Bakari as the Chief Executive Officer, CEO of the Nigerian Financial Intelligence Unit (NFIU). The NFIU, a federal agency, plays a pivotal role in collecting and analyzing disclosures from reporting organizations to generate financial intelligence utilized by other agencies in combating money laundering, terrorism financing, and other financial crimes. A prominent Nigerian financial technology fintech company, Pennytree, has successfully obtained a crowdfunding license from the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) of Nigeria, reinforcing its influential position within the Nigerian fintech sector. Abayomi Ogunjobi, the co-founder and director at Pennytree, highlighted the significance of the new license, considering it a major milestone in Pennytree's mission to revolutionize access to capital and financial services for individuals and businesses across Nigeria. Let's go for a short break, and when we come back, the news continues. Welcome to the 2024 Regtech Africa Conference on Awards, happening in the city of Lagos, Nigeria, on the 23rd and 24th of May 2024. This event promises 2 days of unparalleled insights and interaction. Theme: Harnessing Partnerships for Africa's Prosperity, Bridging the Data Trust Gap. 50+ speakers, 1,000+ participants. Join us as we empower women in Regtech and captivating roundtable discussions. Calling all C-level executives, regulators, policymakers, investors, and key industry stakeholders. This is your platform to drive innovation and regulatory excellence. Register now and be part of this transformative experience at the 2024 Regtech Africa Conference on Awards. Engage, connect, collaborate. See you there. Now in African news, Kenya is taking steps to introduce regulatory frameworks for overseeing cryptocurrency trading within its borders amidst concerns about its status on the grey list. The move is part of Kenya's proactive approach to strengthen its financial system in anticipation of an evaluation by the Financial Action Task Force (FATF), an international body focused on combating money laundering and terrorism financing. A leading fintech and financial services provider, XS.com, has announced its foray into the burgeoning African market with the acquisition of a licensed financial service provider in South Africa. The multinational multi-asset group has finalized the acquisition of Ubiti Financial Services, duly regulated and authorized by the South African Financial Sector Conduct Authority, FSCA. Now in the world news, as trading activity resumes in Asian markets, attention is squarely focused on China and Japan following the Lunar New Year break and the President's Day holiday in the United States. Investors are keenly observing whether the gradual uptrend in Chinese market will persist, while also monitoring Japan's stocks and currency for potential movement unseen in over 3 decades. And finally, BVNK, a B2B payment platform, has announced the activation of its electronic money institution EMI license in Europe, marking a significant milestone for the company's growth strategy. The issuance of this license, BVNK revealed in a press release on Wednesday, February 21, is poised to bolster its operational capabilities and customer service across the region. And that's it, Regtech Africa News Roundup. Join us again next week for all other important news updates.